Hey, welcome to Just Garden Farm and DIY with your boy. I am Will. Today I thought I'll give you an update. Oh, shut up. It's the chicken. So today I thought I'll give you an update on a snail farm. So it looks like two lovebirds found themselves overnight and they are currently mating. If you've never seen snails mate, this is how they do it. This could actually go on for some time, could go on for a couple of hours. So it's a long process. So it looks like this one is laying. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like this one is currently laying some eggs. This is quite exciting. I don't remember ever seeing snails laying eggs. I've had snails for some time, but I've not actually witnessed them lay eggs, and it looks like we may be witnessing one now. I don't know if you can see, but I can actually see it. We only started with a few, and it looks like they're really growing in numbers. So I have two types of snail in here. These are like the second most popular snail in Ghana. Unfortunately, I don't know this species name, and this is the least popular one. I remember when we were kids, they were totally ignored. They were not eaten, and I've heard that these snails are quite popular in Nigeria. Oh, look at that! A collection of tiny snails. I don't know what's going on here, but this one seems to be very tiny, so it could be a couple of days old. Unfortunately, I can't. So here are some more eggs. Oh, that's a lot of eggs here. So yeah, looks like these ones are not far from hatching. So you can see the colors have changed. Usually they're like yellowish. When they go from yellow to off-white to white, then they're almost ready to come out. This one has hatched. Okay, we are lucky. Ding. So these ones, this is the egg. So as I told you earlier, so this is the egg of these ones. So they lay very big eggs. Sometimes it could be the size of a bird. So they don't lay much. Actually, looking at this, I would be surprised if they can lay more than 10 of these, because they're quite big. It's quite large. So I don't think they would lay much of these. So we are very lucky. And if you can compare, there we go. So you can see the size of the egg, and that should tell you that the snail next to it should not be more than 2 or 3 days old, because it's almost the size of that egg. But anyway, so yeah, these ones, and I think then we can compare to the other eggs. Where is it? Right, so just to give you an idea, these are two different types of snail. So this is a shorter snail, a much shorter pointy back, and this is the other type of snail, which is much longer and it's got a much pointer back. So if you put them side by side, you can see the difference. You see the other one is longer. So that's the first thing that kind of differentiates these two types of snails. The other thing is the size of their eggs. So this one, the longer one, lays much smaller eggs. So look at the size of it. and the shorter one lays these sides, almost the sides of a bird. So this one is freshly hatched. I don't know if you can see it well, but this is freshly hatched. So I hope you enjoyed this short video on updates of the snail farm. I'm also quite surprised to see some of the things that you guys may have witnessed today, and some of the eggs, you know, live on camera. Some of them laying eggs or in the process of laying eggs. You saw the different types of eggs by the 2 types of snails that I have, and also I hope you took away some few other tips. If you have any questions regarding the snail farm, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget, that is very, very important. And when you've hit the notification button, you get notification on all new updates and videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.